Hey guys, this is Marcus with Green Solution Commercial Cleaning. We finished this side of the house for this client. We got all the algae off. She is satisfied. We done. We on to the next job. Green Solution Commercial Cleaning. We also pressure wash. We do driveways. We take care of your vehicle. We do lawn service. Give us a call, man. 678-310-9893. Check the website, greensolutioncc.com. Thanks. Deuces. Share this video.